Welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, an EP3, and yes, my favourite colour, Cosmic Grey. Now this one's got some modifications and some of them are pretty sweet, so we will go through those at the end. And the lads have just fitted a throttle body to this whilst it's in situ, so it's time to do a stock power run, see where we're at, and then we'll do an ECU exchange and start tuning. Here we go. I like a Cosmic Grey.
Yeah, you've said before it's your favourite.
It is my favourite.
Yeah, Cosmic Grey EP3, got some good mods on this car. We've got a Skunk2 Ultra Series Inlet Manifold. We fitted a Skunk2 throttle body this morning. A little bit of a problem with that. Customer took the top of the front panel out, so the radiator dropped forward a little bit, so it was making everything a little bit tighter. Did explain to me he needs to put that front panel back in, otherwise it's going to have his wiring on the fan.
Is that the panel that you would normally trim?
Yeah, I would normally trim it, but he sort of took that out. So I sort of, he said he still got it, so I said if I was just trim it up and obviously put that back in, it'll help hold the radiators. Yeah, so we've done some emergency cable tying for now, just to make sure we weren't having a problem on the dyno.
Like a Renault specialist?
Like a Renault specialist, yeah. Just like that. It's got the Tegiwa letterbox airbox induction kit. I believe it's got a 4:1 Decat manifold, and it has the Tegiwa 70mm.
Tegiwa 70mm. Thank you, Johnny, for helping us make power.
So it's got some really good mods. Now, obviously, all of these mods, bar the throttle body that we fitted this morning, were already on the car. So we fitted the throttle body and then ran this car in stock form. Oh, well, stock map form anyway.
Yeah.
So we ran the car and it ran 193, which you say to yourself, well, there's something wrong there. But obviously, because of literally to the scale of the modifications that are on this car, obviously the standard map can't deal with that. or it wasn't dealing with it anyway. So obviously you get lean spots, you get rich spots, and so on and so forth, and that resulted in
just wasn't healthy.
Yeah, and a sort of lower output. But what that has done now is obviously now it's mapped, it has unlocked an unearthly amount of power. We got like 70 brake.
About 73 brake.
Yeah, 73 brake
at 6,000.
Yeah, at 6,000 RPM, and we are sort of 47 brake horsepower up overall. We finished on 240. So
on an NA car.
Yeah, a really, really, really amazing result. I mean, this car will drive phenomenally better than it did when it came in.
It's like twice the car it was.
Yeah. You know, a massive difference. That's why I love tuning these, especially when they've already got all the mods on, and then they're down, not necessarily down a little bit, but obviously because the map's not correct anymore, they're not running at their best, and then you really can see what you can achieve from the map.
I think from a customer standpoint there, they bring their car in, driving it, they know they've already spent all the money on the mods.
That's right,
and they're mapping it because they want it to be healthy. When they leave here, the car is so much better.
Yeah.
They'd be get an instant Google review.
Yeah. This will feel mind-blowing, especially from, you know, that, I mean, really, it'll feel better, obviously, from 4.6 upwards, where we've obviously adapted the VTEC and we've made more power there, but certainly from the 6,000 RPM point, you know, it'll feel, phenomenally different from where it was. Really good graph, really nice and smooth, really nice and linear. I think that the outcome of this is as good as it was going to get today.
Code word?
No, it's got to be Skunk2, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah, Skunk2. Yeah, we like a bit of Skunk2. So code word Skunk2. Let's go look at the graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it. Okay, so the graph, and as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. As Richard said, we have got about 71, 73 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM, and we're up about 40 sub brake at the end of the, you know, at peak power. So that's just absolutely amazing. We finish on 239.4. I'm calling that 240. And there we go. A lovely Cosmic Grey EP3. That's been tuned after some modifications. Beautiful. Thanks ever so much for getting to this point in the video. At the very end, I need to tell you that we appreciate you watching on YouTube. We feel the support. Thanks for watching all the videos, liking. If today is the day that you choose to subscribe, I welcome you. Thank you very much. And we'll see you all on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.